A small hut used to stand at the spot where Sharoda Devi's temple is located today. Since that hut was too small for his family, Sharoda Devi's father, Ramchandra Mukhopadhyay, got this house built. Nowadays, this house is called Holy Mother's Old House. From about 1863 to 1915, for almost 52 years, the Holy Mother lived here. This was her room. She lived in this room. It is here that she initiated many devotees into spiritual life and conferred brahmacharya and sannyasa vows to monastic members.
Jaya Jaya Janani Jaya Sri Sharadamani Karuna Rupini Jaya Ma Jaya Jaya Janani Jaya Sri Sharadamani Karuna Rupini Jaya Ma Ata Shakati Parama Prakriti Ata Shakati Parama অশরণ গতি তুমি মা অশরণ গতি তুমি মা জগতারিণী ভব ভয়হারিণী দুর্গতি নিবারিণী মা জয় জগতারিণী ভব ভয়হারিণী দুর্গতি নিবারিণী মা সিদ্ধি প্রদান